Hi, and welcome to the world according to Larry. Today's video is the third of a three-part series of videos. In this video, I will show you how to remove the rotors on a 6th generation Camaro SS. It is necessary to remove the calipers to remove the rotors for turning or replacing. It has always been recommended to turn or replace your rotors when replacing your brake pads. I replaced my rotors with drilled slotted rotors. To continue with the visual upgrades to the car, I also painted the rotor caps. I painted them using the G2 paint caliper system that runs about $50 in July of 2020. Unfortunately, in July of 2020, they're on back order, probably a COVID thing. COVID! So, let's have a look at what's inside. Look at that. These are good looking. These are the rears. Here's the front. How are we going to continue? Some little things matter. We're going to paint these caps because when you look into the car, you can see dull metal. I got the G2 caliper paint system. I figured, well, this isn't the cheapest approach. Probably buy high temp spray paint, but this is what you paint your calipers with. Will withstand 980 degrees Fahrenheit. So because of the heat, I decided to go with this rather than risk it. I only bought one box, so I'm going to paint the outer surfaces first. And if there's anything left over, I'll do this high-end cap. But this is what you can see when you look through the wheels. Amazing. Right. My sandpaper. Spraying it with the brake cleaner that came with the kit. Let's get to paint. They give you a popsicle stick to stir it. I don't know why. Because this can is half full, as they say in it. Or gunfire. Very smooth. This is supposed to be self-leveling, so I'm going to add copious amounts now to this. Okay. There isn't enough for a third coat of all four. Final step is to take the rotor off. I'm going to use a T30 Torx wrench. It's not in there, very tight. Actually, what we're going to use is our hammer. I want to damage this rotor if I can't help it. Just gonna bang. Alright, so you saw that break free. Oh, but see it wiggles? Yeah. And there we go. You've been experiencing the world according to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is the world I live in. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like it, subscribe, share it, and I totally appreciate comments. And until the next time, I'll be in my world.